What is Taxdome? Taxdome is an online tax and accounting service that provides comprehensive solutions for small businesses, freelancers, and independent contractors. It simplifies tax and accounting processes by automating mundane tasks, helping to save time and money. Taxdome makes it easier for entrepreneurs to track their finances, complete tax returns accurately, stay organized with documents, follow up on customer payments, and generate financial reports. The platform also includes features such as secure document sharing, a client portal, task management tools, invoicing functionality, automated reminders, and more. With Taxdome's user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, it is the perfect solution for busy entrepreneurs who need help with their taxes and accounting needs. Can I bring my website from GetNetSet to Taxdome? Yes, you can bring your website from GetNetSet to Taxdome. Taxdome is a cloud-based tax and accounting platform that allows firms to manage clients, invoicing, billing, documents, workflow, and more. It provides powerful tools for creating and managing client websites. To transfer your website from GetNetSet to Taxdome, you first need to export the website content into a zip file. Then you can upload the zip file onto Taxdome's server and start customizing your web pages with their easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. You'll also be able to access analytics on how visitors interact with your website and make changes as necessary. With Taxdome's help, transferring your website from GetNetSet is a breeze and ensures that you have a professional online presence that reflects your brand and helps you attract new customers.